Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today there's a new bird in feather family. It's called a nightjar. So today I'm gonna be buying it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so I'm pressing play now, and I'm gonna go to the unlockables. Where is it? Oh, here, nightjar. I only have 1,640. So let's just buy the nightjar. I'm fine. I don't need that much though. And let's try it out. There's a female and there's a male. So which one should I pick? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay, male. First will be the hatchling. This is what it looks like. It's adorable. This is what it looks like. So let's press play real quick because I'm adorable.